on a milli, really I'm glad I'm alive. Shit, I could've died, I could've starved, but I ate up they hate, and I swallowed my pride.
Hey now, say now, what's up solar system? It's your girl Writeous Soul, and today you're going to be cooking with soul. You see my background there? And what are we making, you ask? Fried Oreos. Sounds good. Well, at first I didn't think so, but it may sound good. We'll see if it tastes good, right? Alright, I'm going to be showing y'all the ingredients next. Here are the unsuspecting ingredients that I'll be using for my experiment. We have Oreos, a pack of Oreos. You can get any kind. Some people get double stuff. Some people get mint. I just don't think that should go on everything. So I just got regular, the family size. Eggs. Eggs are optional. I have Funfetti pancake mix by Pillsbury. I thought that was a cute little twist on it. But you can get any kind of pancake mix. I got the honey butter croissants because I'm actually going to be doing 2 versions of this fried Oreo. And then the vegetable oil to top it off. Alright, this is 1 egg with a little bit of water and the confetti pancake mix. Alright, this has been stirred. This flows just right. No clumps. You gotta see different color sprinkles in there because that's the confetti kind. But it's good to go. Ready for the Oreo dipping. Alright, so I just popped open the croissants and I'm going to see this one already has the ridges cut down the line, so it'll be easier to wrap the Oreo. Alright, so what I'm going to do is pull one side, wrap it. It's made a little different from what I saw created, but we're going to do the same thing. Pull the ridges up. Pull the ridges up. And then finale, I'm going to have to double this one over and then tuck it with the last row since it's made a little different. Alright, so it's going to look like this, but we want to make sure all of it is covered. All of it is covered. All of it is covered. Alright, and then we're going to turn it over that way. Alright, so this is how the croissant one is made. We'll see this from another angle. I'm going to put it in the middle. It just looks a little different when it's being tucked in longer. So we're going to do this. Make sure we tuck it in so that there are no holes for the grease to seep into the Oreo first. Yeah. Tuck it, and then we bring this last little ridge out. Last little ridge out, fold it up, and then it's a little sticky. This looks like this at the top, circle form. And we continue that throughout the croissant pattern. Alright, we have what the croissants look like when they're all done and ready to actually be put into the grease. And now we have the grease warming up, and then we'll be dropping everything in. Alright, so I have to do a test and to make sure that the oil is at the right level. See the water? It's popping up, so it's ready. Alright, that grease is ready for me to do this with the Oreos. I'm going to drop the Oreos in, and then I'm going to cover them with the mix. Just making sure you have enough covering the Oreo. I'm just going to make sure all of them are adequately covered. Always one rebel acting like Apollo. Let's see. Alright guys, it's time. It's time for us to drop them in. And you don't leave them in there that long, just until they're brown on one side, and then you flip them over. I have this spoon that I'll use to flip them over. See what it looks like on the other side. Not ready yet. They're kind of brown at the bottom, but they're not all the way golden brown. So I flipped one by accident. I'm not gonna flip the other ones yet. I'm gonna let it get brown. So I'm gonna flip that one back over, and once the other ones get ready to go. All right, these are looking a little bit brown on one side, so we're gonna go ahead and turn them over. I want to be easy with the grease because it can pop up if you have a low pan. All right, let's see. Yeah, I think that is Apollo there because he gave me the most trouble throughout the whole process. See, all the rest of them went easily, and he gave me trouble. Alright, so we're going to let these get a little golden brown, and then we're going to take these out. And you don't have to have them in there all day, literally maybe a minute or less, and they'll be done. Alright, they should be ready on the other side. Let's make sure. Yeah, that's golden brown. Y'all know I like my stuff dark black. But we're not going to do that to y'all today.
Fried Oreos.
We're not going to do that today because they already black. Alright, looks like I think I turned them all over. Comment if I missed one. I think I turned them over though. Let's try that one. Yeah, that one look like it's still been over. Okay, so they're good to come out now. So I have this prepared so that the grease can drain. And you never want to, I'm going to put this right here. You never want to drag grease. So I'm just going to put my pan closer, even though I have the kind of spoon that is sifting the juice, the oil. This is Apollo because his head got split doing the wrong things. Y'all want to know who Apollo is? That's my nephew. He's VibePack on YouTube, so make sure you follow him because he is filming this right now. So tomorrow he gonna think he gonna put credits that he's a filmmaker. All right, guys, that's what it should look like, unless you want them darker or lighter. For the ones that are pancake batter. Now let's do the ones that are
Croissant batter.
Croissants. Here we go, guys. Woo! All right, this is the croissant batter one. I'm a little nervous. Comment in the comment section which ones y'all think will be the better tasting ones. I heard the croissant, but I ain't gonna be...
I don't know, those look like muffins over there. They look good to me.
They do look like muffins, but I don't know. I don't know when to turn these on. Alright, these are ready to be turned over, it looks like. But we shall find out through trial and error. Okay, they look more biscuity.
More funnel cakey or something like that.
Don't get my head.
It's a croissant.
Yeah, it's a croissant.
It looks like a good croissant. Ooh.
Yeah. We'll see which one tastes better, but we don't know yet.
Man, those look so good. And these look like little biscuits.
Yeah, they do look like little...
The muffins that got stuck and they ain't got no type of volume in them.
This, of course, I think this is Apollo because it's splitting out at the sides, which means it's not acting right. Ooh, look at that one. That
So
grease,
pretty.
that grease got through that one. So we'll let it get golden brown on the other side, and then we'll take them out. Golden brown on the top. We're gonna just turn it over a little bit to make sure that it's...
That's it.
Oh yeah, that's good and done. Let's see if Apollo is good and done.
Yes, sir.
Alright.
Getting rubbed.
Ooh, that one almost broke. We're gonna be careful with them when we do turn them. There we go. And I'm just turning them one final time to make sure they're all done on this other side, because we know they're done on this side. They're just a little lighter on the... This is his friend, I'm sure. All right, so we'll start with the one of these two, and we'll take them out. And we'll put them on a different side, but we can tell which one's which. Let's see. I'm going to move the pan for safety purposes too.
Got some hush puppies, guys.
So you can top that off with some sprinkled powdered sugar. I don't have that, but you guys won't know that because I'm going to sprinkle something on there that looks like the substance.
It's that. Never mind.
We're gonna do the struggle way. You know how you make a way out of no
Struggle
way?
meal.
Yeah.
Struggle meal.
So give me one moment and you'll see it in its full.
Oh, I got my apron on. Excuse me.
Y'all know how I do it. Train up a child in the way in which he should go. But
These are lightly brown, so you don't want to make them too dark, but also you don't want them too light.
oh yeah, he did.
There's only so much you can do on the sides, unless you just let it sit in there where it's too dark at the bottom.
Yeah. You want your grease depth to be enough for it. Yeah, I pause because he just dropping grease everywhere and we do things two different ways.
It's alright, we're gonna get it done.
Said the kid. That's an adult.
There we go.
He did good. Did a good job.
You know,
Take the pan
us
with
light
you.
skin don't like stuff that's too dark, so we ain't gonna make them too crispy.
But he gonna start a grease fire any second now. Kid don't care. Look at
Yay!
Okay, I'm gonna take it easy on you. I think we mixed that batch with regular. Yeah, that's good. That's good.
Now the other side kind of a little raw.
Okay. Sit it down. This is what Apollo did. And then you try to teach him how to do it.
We just cleaning the stove with some
Look at
little bit of grease. That's it.
Hey guys, I'm Terrell and I'm Writeous soul sister. Hello. Okay, please excuse my face and everything else, but she asked me to try these out. I had to, of course. And I'm probably rarely gonna be in her videos because I don't like being in videos. I actually like being the person behind the camera because that's just what I do. But let's get into this. I already tried the batter one. I wanted to try the croissant one, which is this one, as you guys can see. Boop, boop, okay. Boop, boop. And let's see how this goes. All right. Okay. I'm tasting a little buttery taste of the croissant. It's pretty good, guys. It's really good. So, no, I'm gonna tell them exactly why we're laughing. Y'all, I'm gonna tell y'all on the screen, but which one was better? If I'm being honest, it's definitely gonna be the croissant. Sorry. Okay. Only because that I feel like the buttery taste is within the croissant or whatever. Mm-hmm. It's making it I don't know, just giving it the extra pop, and it tastes real good. So okay, awesome. Do you have a YouTube that you want them to follow, or no? But I do have IG and Facebook and Snapchat. And my name is Terrell and Malone on all three platforms. So feel free to check out. I do take photos, so check them out. Give me a like. Say something. All right. She's an excellent photographer, and you'll see her information to those on the screen next to her. All right, guys, after much hard work, you know, it took a lot for me to do that, you know. Oh my goodness, look at the finished product. Why don't you make sure they get a good look at this. These are the ones we made with the confetti pancake batter, and these are the ones we made with the actual Pillsbury croissant rolls. Mm-hmm. All right, so we're gonna try both. Which ones we're gonna try first? The
nasty one. So let's go ahead and get to these.
This could be a honey bun.
Yep. It's smooth.
Yeah, this is
not
good.
Hard. It's soft.
I feel like I should eat this up. Yeah, we got water just in case. I was prepared, but this made me lean on the counter.
That's good.
Did you already eat it?
Mm.
This
Make
got a
sure
little
I grab
sugar
mine.
on it.
Mm.
Oh, this is Jacob. Jacob, I think this is Apollo. Oh.
You want this
Oh
one?
yeah, that was you. You was sticking out the side. I called it Jacob.
I'll try them.
All right, y'all.
Yeah. This tastes a lot better. That's the croissant. The flavor of the croissant mix is real good.
This should not be our breakfast. I know we gotta go. Let me put it right there.
Told y'all what the key to my heart is. So.
Jacob's key to his heart is food. Mine is subscribers. I need y'all to subscribe. Click the button. VibePack will be in the link as well. We also just did a video for the, we were trying out the viral TikTok snack, so y'all make sure y'all go check that out. We call it Hunger Games. He dubbed it Hunger Games. Yeah, thank you. Y'all, you already know what I gotta say. I know it's my world. You know it's my world, but it really isn't a world without y'all in it. Thank y'all for cooking with soul today. Chef BoyarSoul. And you already know the rest. Hey now, say now, and we're out.
And I took a year and supported my guys. They did it really big. Now I'ma eat till I bust at the side. I'ma go pick a lit.